Okay, let's create an instant ribbon using this balloon. Okay, just inflate the balloon with this length of approximate 7 inch. Now, make a loop like this. And one more inch bubble here. And another loop here. And after that, just put all together these two loops. Remember, we created two loops here on both sides. The size of the loop is approximate 4 inches. And the size of this bubble at the middle is 1 inch. You need to, okay, on the next part, you need to make a ear twist here. That's it. That is your instant ribbon. And this is your ribbon. Okay? Ribbon.